Hey, what's up, you guys? Man, hey, don't mind the messy hair. It's 1:35 a.m. in the morning, and I was just editing this video for you guys. And man, it's such a powerful song that's used in this video. And I just want to let you guys know that if you guys are going through anything hard, tough time in your life right now, just say a prayer and ask God whatever it is in your heart, because man, the miracles that he's done in this world, if he's done it before, he'll do it again, and I know that he'll do it for you. So just be strong and continue to put him first in all those areas, all the troubled areas you have questions about. Put him there. But you guys enjoy this little video that I made for the fire knife students, and man, it's powerful, man. God bless you guys.
'Cause if you told the sun when to rise, and it did, he will again. And if he told the storm to be still,